Hey everyone! If you're on a mission to get shredded, you know it's not just about hitting the gym. It's about what's on your plate too. Today, I'm diving into some killer nutrition tips that'll help you fuel your body right and see those gains you're working so hard for. Let's get into it. First up, protein is your best friend. But not just any protein, we're talking lean, mean protein machines like chicken breast, turkey, and fish. These foods pack a massive punch without the extra fat, helping you build muscle while keeping calories in check. Now don't forget about carbs. Yeah, I know, carbs get a bad rap, but they're actually your body's main source of energy. Stick to complex carbs like sweet potatoes, oats, and brown rice. They keep your energy level stable so you can crush it at the gym without crashing. Hydration. Let's talk about it. Water isn't just important, it's essential, especially when you're sweating it out. Staying hydrated helps your muscles recover and perform at their peak. So keep that water bottle handy and sip throughout the day. Alright, let's talk timing, because when you eat is almost as important as what you eat. Try to fuel up about 2 hours before you work out to give your body the energy it needs. And after that workout, get some protein and carbs in within 30 minutes to kickstart recovery. Last but not least, let's not ignore fats. Yes, fats. Healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and seeds are crucial. They're not just good for your heart, they help you feel full longer, which means you're less likely to dive into unhealthy snacks. Implementing these tips won't just help you look better, they'll help you feel better. Remember, it's all about balance and finding what works for you. So, experiment, adjust, and most importantly, stay dedicated. That's it from me today. Keep pushing, stay focused, and let's get shredded together. Catch you in the next video. Oh, and one more thing, don't forget to stretch. Stretching helps prevent injuries and keeps your muscles flexible. Incorporate a good stretching routine into your daily regimen to keep your body in top shape. Foam rolling and massages can also help with muscle recovery and reduce soreness. So, take care of your body, and it will take care of you. Alright, now that's really it from me today. Keep pushing, stay focused, and let's get shredded together. Catch you in the next video.